Changing your profile picture on Zelle is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your image easily. Step 1. Open the Zelle app. Launch the Zelle app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your profile settings. Step 2. Access your profile. Navigate to your profile by tapping on the icon or menu that represents your account settings. This is usually found in the top corner of the app. Step 3. Select Edit Profile. Look for an option that says Edit Profile or similar. Tap on it to enter the section where you can modify your personal information, including your profile picture. Step 4. Change Profile Picture. Find the option to change or upload a profile picture. You may be prompted to choose a photo from your device's gallery or take a new picture using your camera. Step 5. Save changes. After selecting your new profile picture, make sure to save the changes. Look for a Save or Confirm button to ensure your new image is updated in your profile. Once you've completed these steps, your profile picture on Zelle will be updated. Enjoy using your refreshed profile.